Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I've done this analysis before. In fact, did it yesterday, so that's where these red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of this line here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, first level I talked about as resistance was 43, but now that the price is up above there, as that rule states, you would now want to see this act as support going forward. With all this being said, though, I don't want to come across like 43 as some sort of do or die level. So if the price does actually drop below 43, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Again, preferably speaking, yeah, that would be great if the price could stay above there, but by no means is it a must hold or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying above 43 cents, that would be awesome. But as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today up there at 52 cents. So 52 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, very nice past couple of weeks. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and higher lows, then just sit back and enjoy the trend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.